Some of the biggest influencers on social media aren't even real humans. These are AI influencers, completely digital characters created using artificial intelligence. Meet Lil Miquela,
Hey everyone,
one of the most
loving
famous
this spot.
AI influencers
This coffee
with
is
millions
everything.
of followers.
Each time
Another
it's-
AI influencer, Aitana Lopez, is so realistic that many people think she is a real person. Brands are now paying
Shudugram embodies
AI
the essence of
influencers
modern
thousands of
luxury,
dollars to promote
a vision of
products.
timeless elegance and
These
sophistication.
influencers are designed by
Let's tweak the hair
teams
texture
using
with the AI
tools,
enhancer.
3D
Good call.
modeling,
I'll adjust the
and
armor plating.
digital animation.
Perfect, syncing now.
The scary
Hi
part?
everyone, this new
Sometimes
serum
it's
is amazing
impossible
for
to tell
glowing
if an
skin.
influencer
I
is
love
real
the results.
or
You
AI.
have to try it.
In the future,
Initiating
thousands of
multi-platform
AI
post
influencers
sequence.
could run social
Content
media
distributed
accounts
to Twitter,
automatically.
Facebook, and Instagram.
But the creators
Let's
who
create a
learn
fantasy
AI
elf.
will
Blue
be able
hair.
to create their
It's
own
generating. Look at that
influencers.
hair flow.
The
Perfect.
future of
Now to
social
refine the
media
robe.
might not belong to humans.